Morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning to all my future millies. I don't know if you can hear me. Let me know in the comments if you can hear me clearly. I'm working on my new, not new, my microphone. I got an announcement to make today. I was gonna do a separate video, but I'm gonna make the announcement here. Going forward, HINANCE videos are going to be live. I will be clipping them up and putting short versions on the channel as well. But let me know what's best time to go live for everyone. Is it better at from 9 a.m. to 9:30 right before the market opens, or is it better to go at like a 7:30 a.m. for all you early birds? Let me update the title of this. Walk to the bell. That's what we're gonna call this one. This is gonna be the walk to the bell. Huge announcement. A lot of great things happening, y'all. A lot of great changes. A lot of great things to talk about in the market today. Let me just finish this thumbnail to get it going. Say what's up in the comments. Shout out to all my future millionaires. Shout out to everybody in the Discord chat if you're watching this, even if you're not. Shout out to all y'all. If you're interested in joining the Discord chat, y'all, please, let me know. Let me know, and we'll definitely get you on that swag. I guess is what we're gonna call it. That's not how you spell investing. You gotta spell investing right. But yes, big week today. Big week today. I'm a little skeptical about the market right now. I'm not gonna joke. Ooh, gotta up the T in y'all. You know that stuff is coming back around, y'all. So we gotta make sure you're having your tea in the morning. But yes, if I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all, I don't see much upside right now. We had a lot of great companies that have been giving us earnings, and we have a lot of even more greater companies reporting earnings this week. Let me go over a few. Today you got Take-Two Interactive Software. Obviously, that's gaming. Zoom Info Technologies. Tuesday we got Under Armour, Clorox, Warner Music Group. What else we got? Marriott, Ralph Lauren, SolarWinds. We got Activation Blizzard, another gaming. These are important ones. Lyft. On Wednesday, we got CVS. We got the New York Times. We got Royal Caribbean Cruises, which I'm going to be looking for opportunities in cruise lines because they haven't had a chance to get off the ground. They haven't had a chance to rebound like hotels have. So I'm going to be looking for opportunity there. Hopefully they continue to get beat down. There's some great tea, y'all, by the way. Ginger lemon? Might just be ginger. Let's see. What else we got? Lemonade, Roku, Uber, Western Digital. That's all Wednesday. Thursday, we got Wayfair, Viacom, Plug Power, another company I'm watching because if they can't figure out the chip issue, how we're gonna get this whole solar thing working, hydrogen fuel will be next in line. Moderna, Kellogg's, TripAdvisory. I'm interested in just seeing the numbers for TripAdvisory. Cloudflare, Virgin Galactic. Many people going crazy over that one. Dropbox, Beyond Meat. I think that there's a lot of opportunity there, so I will be watching that one. And like I said, we got some economic news this week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, year over year. Friday. We got some interesting stuff. I think that there's more downside than there is upside, but if you feel different, please let me know in the comments below because I'm open to hear what y'all have to say. Don't forget, y'all, like always, hit the thumbs up on this video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Say what's up in the comments. Shout out to all my future millies. Are you doing your due diligence? Are you doing your research? Are you looking for opportunities? Are you getting scared by the market right now? Are you too happy? Don't forget, we're still at somewhat all-time highs. Y'all see the pinky up, future millies. That's what we going. I'm gonna call. If you're in the Discord chat, you're gonna be a future Millie. If you're not, you're on your way to being a future Millie. That's what we're gonna say. We got some other great topics that I wanted to talk about today. Like I said, we're going all the way up to the bell today, y'all. We going all the way up to the bell today. That's why I'm gonna call this the walk to the bell. I'm gonna walk y'all to the bell. A lot of great things. Let's talk about Nokia real quick, because y'all know how I feel about Nokia stock. The Nokia hype got in the building. Has held up very well past the $6 mark. We got guidance, forward guidance upgraded. You know, a lot of good things for Nokia, but you know, I gotta keep it honest on how I'm feeling emotionally, and I just feel like we've hit the height of Nokia for 2021. I might be the first to say it. I will admit that I trimmed on Friday. You know, that's just, if you were in Discord or if you had some connection to me, you would know that. Trimmed a little bit of my Nokia, but I'm still believing in it long term. I just needed to put some more cash aside in case that we had another market correction, because I don't see much upside right now. I could be wrong. Please let me know in the comments if you see some upside. Where's the Reddit group when you need them? You know, I don't know. I see people getting spooked. A lot of people getting spooked, and these stocks they're having good earnings calls, and they're having great updates, and you know, these stocks really ain't doing much. What was it? I think it was like Google had like did crazy numbers, and the stock didn't do much. So you really start to question what type of good news, if the earnings call ain't gonna do it, what type of good news is going to take it to the next level? And I just think that we have this variant hovering over our head, this dark cloud hovering over our head. We're going into winter, so we don't know what to expect, and that leaves some uncertainty for many investors. Like myself, I start to wonder what's going to happen. And so, you know, profit taking is something that I highly suggest for a lot of people, especially if, you know, if you were worried that you weren't going to get some money back. But yeah, Nokia is still doing their partnerships. They're continuously doing their thing, man. They've just done very well. They've done very well over there. So you kind of got to tip your hat whenever you get a chance. Just so everybody knows, I'll be back live tomorrow, Tuesday, August 3rd. I'm back on live. I'll either be on live from 7:30 a.m. or from 7:30 a.m. or 9 a.m. Y'all let me know what y'all prefer in the comments below, and you know, that's when I'll be on. We're gonna try to get HINANCE live going at least 2 to 3 times out the week. At least. All right. So yeah, Nokia, take some profits if you get a chance. I didn't even get to look at PreMarket today. Before I get into talking about GNUS real quick, let's look at PreMarket. I didn't even you know. So when you're trading on TD Ameritrade, I believe Webull as well, and maybe a few others, you can trade PreMarket, which is 7 a.m. for me. Starting at 7 a.m. Not a lot of crazy movement. Everything's green right now. Wow, everything's green right now. I can't complain. You know, as it pertains to my portfolio, ARC F up 0.23%, ARC G up 0.39%, Canopy Growth up 0.50%, Coinbase damn near even, GNUS up almost 2%, Gold 0.18%, Jumia 1.2%, Nokia 0.32%, Palantir 1.33%. Let's look at, there's a lot of green. If we're looking at pre-market, it's a lot of green here. You're seeing a lot more green than you see red. This is my watch list. Can't even see the names on there. There you go. You got some names on there. This is the watch list. This isn't what I hold. This is just a complete watch list. AMD hood. Let's talk about, before I get into GUS, let's talk about Robinhood just doing doo doo, which I was happy to see. I'm sure many other people were else happy to see as well. Let me know in the comments if you were happy to see Robinhood not take off. There were people shorting the thing. I wouldn't even spend my money, even if you paid me. Right? But that is what it is. It is what it is. That's what they get. When you don't do good by the people gonna take care of you. They're gonna set you on fire if they need to. But yeah, let's talk about GNUS currently trading at $1.60. Y'all know, I've toned down the stocks that I cover so that I can focus more, so that I can. And maybe you should do it too. Like you're trying to chase 30 different stocks, and it's like, man, trying to keep up with that many stocks, like really deep keep up with it gets very difficult. Try to tone it down. Try to tone down the portfolio. Use this time as a great time to tone your portfolio down. It's obviously better to have 100 shares in a company than to have 100 companies in one share each. And I say that because that might be controversial to what I kind of believe, but I say that if you want higher returns, you got to own more shares. You feel me? That doesn't mean that you shouldn't be, doing risk management and spreading out your investments. But I'm just saying, like, if you just have a random stock, just one stock, and I mean, you might as well try to bulk up as many shares as you can. That's what I've kind of learned in my journey. Yeah, that's just. Don't forget, hit the thumbs up on this video, y'all. Let's talk about GNUS. Let's talk about Genius Brands. I always talk about Genius Brands, but it's content creation, y'all. Like, I don't understand. I made a great call with Nokia. I feel like, I don't feel like I'm getting my justice due justice, but I am, because I'm happy. And I feel like I made a good call on Nokia, and I think GNUS is another good call for me. And time will tell. Time will tell, but it's already up a little bit today. And what I really like about them is their cash on hand. You gotta have cash on hand when you're creating content. You're gonna blow through your resources. I'm blowing through resources right now trying to build content. So I feel the pain of GNUS. If I feel the pain of anybody, it's definitely the pain of GNUS. So, let's see. Let's talk about this eviction moratorium. I had a whole article to read on it, but I believe it expired on Friday, and there's a lot of people at risk of being evicted. This can be a gift and a curse. A curse, obviously, in the fact that you put people on the streets. But it's a gift for many landowners, landlords. It's a gift they can finally get people out who haven't been paying. People that have been collecting all this free money haven't been paying their landlords. That's it's a messed up situation, but I think that it creates a lot of opportunities. A lot of opportunities for people to reset their lives. And some people may not want to hear this. Like, some people think that, oh, you're cruel. No. This is the eviction moratorium expiring gives people a chance to restart their life, get on their feet, get going. I think that humans, we adapt. Some of us do. Some people don't want to adapt. Some people do. But yeah, we adapt. So I think that it's going to allow people to, figure their life out, figure out how they're going to get to the next level. It also allows some investment opportunities. A lot of people that have been wanting to get into real estate, Once people are done being evicted, I'm thinking about maybe wintertime early next year will be better opportunities to buy in the real estate market. Hopefully we get some type of correction, because that just leaves more buying opportunity, right? And that's what we want. We want the buying opportunity, and we need people that are not paying to move out, to get out. It's time for them to get out. It's been some time. I'm sorry. You got to get a job out there. There's plenty of jobs looking. They can't find workers, and this is the time for you to get a job if that is the situation that you're in. Or maybe for you to move to a different state that's more economical for you, that makes more sense to you. It's time to adjust. So I'm a strong believer in just letting this thing go. Of course, some people would argue that it shouldn't be this way, and we got to give more money. But it's like, I mean, the states have the money. Why haven't they given the money out? That's an interesting question. It's a lot of extra political stuff going on that your average person may not understand. But I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna here talk about it. Try to break down as much as I can. Like I said, I didn't read the full article, so um, I didn't really get into the super details. But I think just the basics is it's going to be a gift and a curse. It's going to be good for some people. It's going to be bad for others. But that's just how the world works. Um, when you have moments like this in our economy, it creates more millionaires, and that's what we here for. Future millies. We here to make money. Shout out to all my future millionaires in the Discord chat. If you're watching this right now, put a money sign in the comments, y'all. Put a money sign in the comments. How's y'all portfolio doing? We got another great article here that I wanted to touch base on. As we're getting about 14 minutes away from the bell opening, and I'm walking y'all to the bell. I haven't checked crypto, so it's good to probably check crypto before I talk about this next crypto article. The Feds seizing crypto, what they're doing. Today, crypto is down 5%, but still up 2% on the week and up 13% on the month. So we get this article here that I read about Feds seizing cryptocurrency from criminals. Now they have to figure out what to do with it. Now, I don't know if they mean like stealing, like seizing like USB cards with crypto on it, but they've literally hired a cryptocurrency company to destroy all the Bitcoin they're seizing. It's called Anchorage Digital. They won a contract from the Department of Justice to store and liquidate digital assets that federal law enforcement seizing following criminal investigations. What are they gonna do with the crypto? Is the government gonna buy and sell crypto? Well, not buy, seize and profit off of crypto, but they're gonna continue to tell people that it's not good for the economy. Isn't this kind of like, oh man? See, that's when you start to realize that there's really opportunity in crypto. Bitcoin and Ethereum for me, I think have the best structure, but I'm not a genius. I don't know what's gonna be the one. You let me know in the comments if there's a crypto that we should all be watching. I think Bitcoin and Ethereum will be here longer than others. They seem to have the structure, the brand identification that you want for long-lasting brands. So I think that those two are going to be some two to highlight. But I'm very curious to wonder, like, what's going to happen. I don't know. Like, shouldn't they just sell the crypto? Like, why would they be holding on to it? Shouldn't they sell it and like maybe give back to the community? That seems like something. Maybe sell it, pay down some of our debt that we owe. I don't know. What do y'all think about that? Feds, they're hiring a company, which which would cost more resources because how this company got to make money somehow, right? So we're paying. Yeah, that's it. It don't. I don't know. I don't know. They're saying extremely complex. Yeah. Yeah, to trace back to one person. Now crypto is at the center of a wild, scheme. I don't know. Yeah, 2.3 obtained after tracking the movement of ransom payment associated with. See, like we used to think crypto was like untrackable, you can't figure it out, and then somehow the U.S. was able to track down the payments they made, portion of the payments they made to the people who attacked the pipeline, the cyber attack on the pipeline. Which I don't even know how that's possible. If it's untrackable money, how the hell you track it? We be getting lied to, y'all. We gotta wake up. We really think there's privacy out here. A lot of these problems are way above our heads, a normal person's head. But as long as you're staying within the flow of the information, great things will happen. Great things will happen, man. Shout out to Rasta. Shout out to my brother Rasta, man. Out here. Always showing love, always watching, man. But yeah, I don't know. Crypto isn't what I thought it was. Especially now, you're seeing like they're able to track the payments. They're able to now they're hiring companies to store this money that they're taking, which I don't know. It doesn't make no sense. Like I feel like they should either sell it or give it to the well deserved, the poor people. I don't know. Give it to somebody, man. It don't make no sense to the people need it. The people need it. They could use it. They could use another little Bitcoin stimulus from all the for all the hard times and troubles, yo. I gotta learn how to do charts on here. As as we get into the next few weeks, I will be figuring out a way to um oh 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 I don't know what I just did. I don't know what I just did. Okay, well I definitely just messed up that whole scenario. Now I gotta do my tools. Alright. Sorry y'all, I'm like definitely distracted right now. Oh, here we go. Here we go. All right, here we go. But yes, stock market, interesting place right now. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I do feel like some type of correction is coming, but don't shoot the messenger. Things are going good right now, decent right now. Like I said in the beginning, I just feel like there's more downside than there is upside if we can get past this whole variant thing. But I don't know, man. There's been a lot of big concerts, Rolling Loud, Chicago Lollapalooza. Um, they're really stretching hard to do this whole. They want everybody to get the shot. That's what they're pushing for right now, which I'm a little confused because I thought that once we got to a certain X amount that we'd be good, man. But I guess we're not. Um, but it is what it is. We're 6 minutes away from this opening bell, August 2nd. And what are my expectations for today? I think it's gonna be a good Monday. And I'm excited. We'll see what comes of it. Like I said, pre-market, everything's looking good so far. Am I buying anything today? Probably not. Don't like to buy on these green days. These are the days I like to sell. stores, put some cash on hand. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you that that's what you need to do. But I'm always gonna throw in what I'm doing. You know? Yeah, I know. But yeah. But yeah, let's see. Let's see what's the big news on stocks today. Stocks futures rise to kick off August trading after S&P notches sixth straight winning month. I'm a little worried about this. Now, in the reality's defense, right? We haven't had our normal S&P 500 corrections. We haven't had them. I think every 170 some days, every 190 or 70 some days, it happens. And we haven't had a normal one like they're used to. But what they're saying is there's so much demand, so many people that want to buy stocks and want to hold on to stocks, don't want to sell their stocks. And that's why we haven't had the correction. I'm assuming the retail kids, that's us, that's you, that's the future millies. We don't want to sell. We're not selling. We're not getting scared about some of these articles. And that's something to point out because things are changing. But I still feel a little weary. I don't know. Like I said, I feel like there's a lot more downside than there is upside. We'll see. We'll definitely see. I'm just thinking like what. I mean, we would need some substantial good news. If earnings isn't doing it, we would need some substantial good news to take us to the next level. And I think everybody's just waiting on the Fed. I think people are waiting on the Fed to see what the Fed gonna do. And I mean, I think that they're puppeting this whole situation. So, but I mean, the numbers on what's going on right now. I mean, the U.S. is averaging more than 72,000 new cases a day the last 7 days, according to the latest CDC shows. Levels not seen since February this year. However, stocks still traded near all-time highs last week, even as concerns about the Delta variant grew. I mean, we know that the market isn't attached to reality. So, but with earnings not doing much and everything else going on, like I said, that's why I'm confused about the upside. I don't think earnings is going to be enough to push everything forward, but we'll see. We'll see, y'all. We'll see. We'll definitely see. Some stocks that I'm watching, let's see. As we're 3 minutes away from the bell. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Quick transition. Sorry, y'all. I'm just trying to figure out how to rock this thing. Once I figure out how to rock this thing, like share my screen, we can like watch news together. That'll be fire. Let's see, loop. Whatever. I'll figure it out. I gotta figure that out on my off time, clearly. I gotta do my research. But everything's gonna get better here with HINANCE, y'all. We're gonna keep bringing it to y'all. Just don't forget to like, comment below, share the live with somebody if anybody trying to get some finance simplified. That's what I'm here to do, y'all. I'm here to simplify this finance world just a little bit. I'm here to talk about it. I'm here to plant the seed in your head so that then you can go and find more information. You can go do your due diligence and do whatever it is you need to do so you can level up. You can always ask questions. If you're interested in joining the Discord chat, you can always shoot me a DM to my Instagrams in the description below. I will get you all the details. Shoot me a comment saying you want to join, and I will reach back out to get you the details. 1 minute away from the bell. I've walked y'all here on this new live we're doing for HINANCE. Like I said, we'll be back again tomorrow, Tuesday, August 3rd, either 7:30 a.m. or 9 a.m. based on y'all, whatever y'all want. Y'all let me know in the comments what time y'all prefer for HINANCE in the morning. This is really for the future millies, y'all. If you already got everything going on, you already got money in your pocket, and you don't care about learning and hearing more information, this ain't for you. This will not for you. This is for the future millions, people trying to build generational wealth. And that's what we do in the stocks Discord, the investing Discord chat. We also got the Forex gang in there. Opening bell has swung open. It's 9:30. Ring the alarm. I wish I had a bell. I wish I had a bell sound that I could play right now, but I wasn't prepared for that. I gotta get my sounds on point. I know we're still working on it, but it's growth, y'all. We're gonna get there. Eventually, as well, I'm also gonna stop broadcasting on the webcam, and I'm gonna be broadcasting off my actual DSLR camera. But let's see how the market's doing. We up 1.1% on my long-term portfolio already as a whole. Let's go like 5 minutes. We're gonna go 5 minutes into the bell just to see how first 5 minutes of the day has started. Things are looking. We shot up. Slowly reversing back, slowly shooting up. Right now, hovering around 1.1%. I always use my long-term portfolio to gauge my day. And that's because I got some very good numbers on there. So, oh, wow. GE completed a 1-for-8 reverse stock split. Wow. Oh, man. This is not good for GE stock. Not good for GE stock at all. Mr. Culp, what is going on? I know you're trying to save GE, but man, what's going on, brother? Whoa. They did a split that turned the General Electric stock to turn up to $100. Never, ever will I pay $100 for a GE stock right now in this current climate. I'm not sure if, yeah. Wow. Larry Culp, though, I believe in him. I know he's doing what's best for GE. So maybe some benefits will come from it down the road. They got a lot of work to do, though. 1.20% on the long-term portfolio. Let's check out the TD account. Listen, y'all, you can make money straight from your phone, y'all. It's never been easier than this. You just got to be willing to try. Ask questions, figure out information. There's plenty of books out there. We got the investor group chat going on. I feel like I'm going to be consistently saying, shout out to all my future millies. You're only a future millie if you're in the Discord chat. So if you're not there yet, you already know. Hit me up in the comment section below. Tell me you want to join. I'll get you the details. It's free $99. So we're 3 minutes in Coinbase. Coinbase is up. Let's look at the. We got more greens in this morning. We do have more greens in this morning. But some of your favorite stocks, y'all. And like I said, I'm gonna end up figuring out how to share this on the screen the right way. This is the getaway, but you know we're building. We're building. That's what we're doing. Snap. I like Snap. I like Roblox. A lot of green, y'all. Beyond Me, I like this number at 123. I'm gonna be watching this because they're going to be doing earnings this week, so I'm definitely watching them. I love seeing these charts, and I think that one thing that really helped my trading strategy is learning the charts just a little bit better. Working with my guy Greg on the chart, shout out to him. Definitely turned me into more of a chart watcher. I don't look at charts every single day, but I try to look at charts as often as possible, just to see what the trend is. I don't want to be buying on a downtrend anymore. Even if I'm a long-term investor, I want to be buying at the bottoms of the bottoms. That's the best time to buy. 5 minutes in so far. Long-term portfolio at 1.3%, and it's looking like an okay day. It's looking like an okay day. Let's see. I don't know what can take us down today. Today might just be a solid ranging day, solid green day, decent green day. Maybe tomorrow will be more of an uglier day. I like it though. Anytime it's trending up, it's good. But like I said, just beware, y'all. I've walked y'all to the bell. You're on your own from here. I appreciate y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. A lot of great things coming. I'll be back again tomorrow, 7:30 a.m. or 9 a.m., whatever you choose. Let me know in the comments. I appreciate y'all for watching from the bottom of my heart. I'm going to go enjoy the rest of my day. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Do your due diligence and, continue shining, y'all. Continue shining.